Hi, my name is Sintamei Kaetole and I'm from Asali Organics Limited. I'm excited to invite you to Matuu. We are in Matuu today. We're actually doing a number of things here. And our AMS program, which is our Apiary Management Services program, we're actually going to be doing inspection of old hives, harvesting, possible harvesting. We'll be setting up and building an apiary house, and we'll also be setting up 50 brand new Langstroth beehives. So we're going to have a total of 70 beehives, and we're taking us with you today. So let's get onto the land. So today we're in Matuu. It's actually a Tuesday. We came in bright and early. The old Langstroth beehives have a lot of these, so we're actually going to start working in the evening, which is a much favorable time rather than during the day. Like right now it's almost let's say it's actually 1 p.m. 1:43, so the sun is almost somewhere there, and you're going to have a view of the entire project. So we got a bit of materials. We usually do a lot of support of the local hardwares or local fundis. So we ensure when we come to an area, if we're setting up a new apiary, we actually buy from the local hardware. We get the local fundis so that we support the area itself instead of shipping our fundis who, yes, are experts. But we usually have one person who is going to actually supervise the entire process and ensure that we actually support the locals. So today we are in Matuu, specifically Salama. So if you're in Salama, hit us up. We have an apiary here now. So I'm going to take you around our client's land here, and we are actually going to go to the specific site where we're going to set up. So as I said, we have some old hives. So you're going to see a bit of movement of the bees, the honeybees, because it's quite early in the day. So it's around midday, it's a bit hot. So they are moving everywhere and anywhere. So let's just go see the setup itself first. Then we'll be on our way. So we're on site. As I said, we're in Matuu, and I'm just going to go through the entire site today. As I said, we have 20 beehives here that are colonized. Not really inspected regularly and not harvested regularly. So we're going to dive into that today. So we have a possible harvesting, but we definitely have an inspection today. And we are going to be building the apiary house itself. So as you can see, we are going to clear this path just to ensure our harvesting and our inspection activities will flow very well. After the rains, I think it slightly overgrew, but we're going to chop a bit of the weeds out of the way just to create a clear path. But come on, let's go and see where we are setting up. So it's a bit bushy, which is normal for apiary setups. We have to clear the way, we have to inspect the beehives that you actually have, and that's part of our apiary management services. So come. Can you hear the buzzing yet? Because they're quite buzzing. So if you can hear some of the beehives are actually here within the bushes. As you can see, we've cleared quite a number of places here, but we're going to clear more in the evening. Right now, we don't want to really disturb them and have them aggressive and attacking the neighbors or animals. So we just cleared slightly in the morning, but we're going to clear this whole area. So here we go. So as you can see, one of the beehives there has actually just been placed on top of a support. a plastic support there, and we'll be moving that beehive. That's a Langstroth beehive, but that is just the brood box, and you can see all the activity that is going on there. So these are the old hives that were actually set up here. So because of that, you can see next to it we have a super box on the ground, and it is completely covered in some dead leaves and just forage cover that actually fell down, some dead leaves that fell down from the trees around there. So we're going to rectify that entire apiary setup. I will also take you into some of the beehives there. We have a number of beehives hanged from the tree. So we have these beehives hung from the tree. So we have the two of them that are actually hanging from the tree. We're also going to rectify that by actually having the apiary house built. We're going to have the apiary house built somewhere around there. I don't know if you can hear all the buzzing that is going on. So it's quite an active apiary, but only those two beehives have the super box installed. So as you can see, the one behind me actually has a super box on the floor, which is completely wrong. It shouldn't happen that way. It's meant to be set up with a brood box for colonization, then the super box once colonization has actually occurred, and then you can now harvest from the super box. But now in this case, there was a bit of no management, which is why we are here actually, because we're the experts in beekeeping, and we'll just go through the apiary setup.